Ciao, it's pizza time, part 2. Don't forget to subscribe.
Hello everyone! To make the dough, first dissolve 2 grams of fresh yeast in 650 grams of cold water. Then add 2 grams of olive oil and combine this in a stand mixer with 1 kilo of all-purpose flour and 31 grams of salt. The dough will be sticky at this stage, so knead it on a work surface until smooth. Pull and fold the dough until it forms a ball. Divide the dough in 6 equal parts. To shape them, pull each side of the dough toward the center. Create tension by scrubbing the ball by pulling it towards you. Dust a tray with flour, place the dough on it and leave it to rest in the fridge overnight. If you have a fancy pizza box, go ahead, you can save the plastic wrapping. After a night in the fridge, let the dough to rest at room temperature for at least 2 hours before handling. While you're waiting, prepare your toppings. Make an amazing pizza sauce by blending a can of tomato with olive oil, salt, black pepper, basil and oregano. Chop the mozzarella into large cubes. Using higher quality ingredients will result in a better pizza. To flatten the pizza dough, press outwards from the center with your fingers, leaving a border for the pizza crust. Shape the pizza to your desired size using a circular motion with the palm of your hands. Before adding any toppings, brush off any flour from under the base of the pizza. Spread on top the pizza sauce and mozzarella. Place the pizza still near the oven grill and preheat for at least 1 hour. Bake at 250 degrees until cooked to your liking or until golden brown. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.